If you were only allowed one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be? Welcome to day 5. I'm now a gardener. Let's get into it. What a twat. Why are my socks that bloody high? Anyway, my dog is the absolute cutest, just standing there, bless him. We went over to the family's place for a lovely little breakfast before doing a couple of hours in the front garden. If it looks like I have no idea what I'm doing, that is completely accurate. I had some chicken wraps for lunch, followed by a thick as fuck protein shake with 2 scoops of whey protein, 60 grams of protein all up. Took the dogs for a walk and indulged a little bit more on those caramel biscuits before finishing off the day with some hard-boiled eggs. That is what we're looking like for the day. We are trying to aim around that 2700 mark. I'm working tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.